So guys, Google is really going for it. No joke, they are taking it one step forward to make the Pixel smartphones actually stand out from the rest of the awesome flagships. But before we talk about that, hi guys, how are you? And if you're enjoying, then a sub to the channel would be massively appreciated. So last year, Google ditched the Qualcomm flagship processor the 865 and chose the slightly mid-range Snapdragon 765G, and it was expected that soon enough Google is going to ditch Qualcomm altogether to make their own processors. And now seems like the Pixel 6 will indeed be the first smartphone to come with a Google custom chip. 9 to 5 Google reported that Google made chip the GS101, or internally known as Whitechapel, will debut this year and will also be the first of many custom SoCs destined for future Google devices. It includes smartphones such as Pixel 6 and even Chromebooks. Google is reportedly developing Whitechapel in coordination with Samsung Semiconductor SLSI division, which means that Google chip may actually share some similarities with Samsung's Exynos chip, including software components. Google's processor will have an octa-core ARM CPU with 2 Cortex-A78 cores, 2 Cortex-A76 and 4 Cortex-A55 cores. It will also have an off-the-shelf ARM Mali GPU and will be fabricated on Samsung's 5nm processing node. Based on this, we could expect Whitechapel to be an upper mid-range chip which will be compared against the Qualcomm Snapdragon 700 series of processors. So they are not going for a flagship processor right away, that will be coming later. And you guys might not remember or might not know, but Google has developed custom chips before, collaborating with Intel in 2017 to develop the Pixel Visual Core for Pixel 2. Also, according to Michal, he has seen evidence that the next Google phones will indeed run GS101 chip. It will have a 3-cluster setup with a TPU and something called Dauntless. This Dauntless is likely an internal security chip which also shows up in Chromium, where it is referred as GSC, likely meaning Google Security Chip, and it could be a universal chip for Pixel books and Pixel smartphones, and maybe if some third-party OEM wants, then Google might also be open to selling them as well, but as of now you will only see them in Pixel books and Pixel smartphones. This, guys, is a big step in the right direction. Google, being a software company, could optimize Android to work at its best with what is definitely not the most powerful chip hardware-wise, and that is something which they have done with cameras for so long. The Pixel 5, because of its camera software, is among the best camera smartphones out there while using almost Pixel 2 level camera specs. So Pixel 6 with the upper mid-range chip could be as fast as any other smartphone using Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and the optimization will also help in getting a longer lasting battery. Let me know, guys, what are your thoughts on Google using a custom GS101 chip for the Pixel 6 lineup. I am super excited. Do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button for the Google GS101 chip. Follow me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.